Today it's shoulders and arms. Gusto ko sana mag-back, kaso kulang pa kasi to. And yung in-order ko hindi pa dumarating. Normally PPL, push-pull leg yung workout ko. Pero binago ko kahapon, nag-chest ako. Tapos ngayon, shoulders tsaka arms. Kung darating bukas, kasi may bagyo eh. Kung dumating bukas sakto, puro heavy dumbbells yung darating. Bukas, leg, back leg. Tapos full body siguro tapos rest, tapos full body sa Friday. We'll see. Pero ngayon, shoulders.
Let's go.
Okay.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
Tapos na ako sa workout, tapos na ako sa chores. Nagugas na ako ng pinggan, naglinis na ako ng banyo. May dalawang errands kasi akong kailangan gawin sa labas. Sabihin na natin ngayon kasi mismo kakatigil lang ng ulan. Sabihin na natin makalabas ako. Hindi ko rin kasi alam kung safe na ba. Kasi nung isang araw na lumabas kami, halos lahat ng exit points namin from the subdivision, baha. So baka hindi ko siya magawa today. Pag nagawa ko siya tomorrow, edi good. Pero last day na tomorrow para magawa ko yung errands na yun. Kasi sa Thursday, may lakad kami, unexpected. Surprise. So yun, for today, wala na akong footage. Maglalaro na lang ako.